My name is Kevin Peng. I am an otologist and neurotologist, meaning I specialize in diseases of the ear. Hearing loss, chronic ear infections, as well as certain tumors. I took a lot of science classes in high school, and in college I studied engineering, so there was a lot of science involved there also. There were a few programs at the college that I attended that allowed us to watch doctors perform surgeries as well as see patients in clinic. And that was really my first exposure to what the medical field as a physician is like. I decided at the end of college that medical school, based on my experience with shadowing doctors, could be a good fit. I attended medical school at UC San Diego in La Jolla, California, and I completed residency at UCLA, just across town. I've been with the house clinic for 5 years after my fellowship. I finished fellowship also at the house clinic, and that was for 2 years. And the clinic has specialized in hearing and ear health. And recently, House has joined with PIH Health to continue to provide care to our patients. Often what a patient tells us is able to clue us into exactly what is going on. But I think it's very important to establish a relationship with the patient and any family member or close friend that the patient entrusts with knowing the details of their healthcare. Because the family members will also support the patient in their treatment and healing process. One of the most gratifying surgeries that we're able to perform is cochlear implantation or cochlear implants, meaning the patient is deaf in one or usually both ears. I can think of one specific case where an elderly female had been hard of hearing for many years. She has done tremendously well. She's able to hear her family and her friends. When she comes back to see me in the clinic, I'm able to converse with her just on a regular basis. And she's almost turned into a different person. My wife and I met in medical school at UC San Diego. She's an oncologist. My wife and I have one child, and we live very happily. We make a great team. I study languages as a hobby. She speaks English, Spanish, and Mandarin Chinese, and I speak those three plus French. I like cooking and baking, so I'll do that also, and that has, of course, the additional benefit of us all being able to eat what I cook and bake. I do think that PIH Health puts patients first, and everybody is prioritizing the patients and their health and their care, and it really shows. The facilities are excellent, the equipment is excellent, and the staff are amazing. I think that would be one of the most important reasons to choose PIH Health as your healthcare provider.